Is there a way to create the illusion of a slimmer face? And the answer is yes. Is it going to be very slim? Is it going to change the entirety of your face? No. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jo Pepple and I'm a makeup artist and content creator based in Lagos City, Nigeria. Now if you're new here, welcome. I was going to say Milo. I'm sorry. Welcome. All right, I create contents relating to beauty, food, lifestyle generally, and yes, drama. So if that's something you're interested in, kindly subscribe because it's gonna be a ride. Today's topic, I'll be talking about highlighting and contouring. So this is like the part one of a video. This is the theory part of the video. I'll be doing a practical video about highlighting and contouring. So I got a comment in one of my videos and the lady was asking, is there a way to create the illusion of a slimmer face? And the answer is yes. Is it going to be very slim? Is it going to change the entirety of your face? No. But will it enhance your features? Yes. So in this video, I'll be talking about the theory part of highlighting and contouring. What really is highlighting and contouring, right? Because knowing what it is what's going to help you to actually do highlighting and contouring better. Do you understand? So not just showing you, but you understanding what highlighting and contouring is your first step to actually slaying your highlighting and contouring game. So let's start with the basics, right? Highlighting and contouring, they are makeup techniques that play with lights and shadow to help to enhance or reshape your face. Now you could say highlighting is throwing more light, contouring is casting a shadow. So these techniques are actually just to enhance or reshape your face. Lighting is what brings forth your features that you want to emphasize. So let's say light is shining on your face. There are certain places that the light will hit that are visible. I know the light is hitting. I'm trying to break it down so we understand. So as this light is shining on my face, I can tell that, okay, light is hitting this, light is hitting this, light is hitting this, light is hitting this. So those are the places you want to highlight. Now contouring, on the other hand, basically what it does, it recedes some areas. It gives some form of depth or definition to your face. Now we're talking of how you want to enhance your cheekbones, enhance, draw some attention, like you're trying to hide, because once you can take this inside, there's a kind of depth it gives to your face. So instead of it just being plain, like when you just apply a foundation, your face is just plain, there is no definition, there is no depth whatsoever. That's why highlighting and contouring comes after. Remember, highlighting, you're throwing more light on those places that light will normally hit. So highlighting is throwing more light. Contouring is casting a shadow. You are now hiding, you're trying to hide, you're receding, you're creating depth, you're creating some definition. Highlighting basically, it mimics the natural lighting. So it's just like if light is shining on my face, for instance, those places I told you that light will actually hit, don't experiment on your face. You see those places that light naturally hits. So highlighting is mimicking that. So do you understand me? So it's mimicking what is already happening. So it's not, highlighting and contouring is not magic. It's enhancing what you already have. What do I mean? Take contouring, for instance. You have cheekbones. Everybody has cheekbones. Just that some people, their cheekbones are very pronounced, and some people, you don't even need any form of contouring or highlighting. Truth be told, when you see those slay models, like their cheekbones be popping, there are some people that their cheekbones, girl. But we, now that we don't have those kind of popping cheekbones, we have to contour. So we have to make it a bit visible, meaning we're creating some depth here to make it seem like we have popping cheekbones, even though we know we don't have. But you get the drill, right? We've talked about throwing more light and casting a shadow, throwing more light, highlighting, casting a shadow, contouring. Now I just want to emphasize that it's not a one size fits all kind of thing, right? It's not set on stone that this is how it must be or this is how you must highlight. It's tailored to the shape of your face. So the way I highlight my face is not the way I would highlight a client's face that is probably, she has a round face. It's not the way I would highlight a face that is a square face. Do you understand? So highlighting and contouring is tailored to suit the shape of the face. If you want me to do a detailed video on how to contour a round face or a square face, can you let me know in the comment section? A reminder again, highlighting is throwing more light, contouring is casting a shadow, creating more depth. That is simply highlighting and contouring. It's not rocket science. It's not difficult. Everybody can do it. It's just you have to be strategic when you are applying your your products. And when you want to throw more light, what do? You would use products that are like 2 shades brighter than your skin. That would help to enhance your face further. Then when you want to cast a shadow, you use products that are like 2 or 3 shades depending darker than your own skin tone. That will help to create more depth and cast a shadow. Just to talk about some mistakes, right? You don't want to overblend, you don't want to underblend. I don't know if that makes sense. So overblending your contour, for instance, can make it disappear because you want it to be there, but it should not be there. I don't know if you get, like, you should see that there's a shadow there, but it should not be overpowering. I don't know if you understand my point. Also, for your highlighting, it should be there, but it should not be so pronounced. Well, I say it's based on your preference. If you're someone who wants your face to be very, very there, you could. I've seen some people go using products that are like 4 shades brighter than their skin tone for their highlighting shade, and that works for them. So it depends on you. Overblending is going to make your products disappear. Underblending is going to leave harsh lines. So you want to be in the middle. You want to be soft while you're at it. So there you have it. Highlighting and contouring. Highlighting, throwing more light. Contouring, casting a shadow. So I just wanted to do a theory aspect before we posting a practical aspect on how to highlight and contour. So yes, you can create an illusion of a slimmer face, but I'm not going to tell you that it's going to be a thin face. No, it's just going to define your face and help it look lifted. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So there you have it, guys. If you learned a thing or two, kindly like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. Share this video. There might be somebody there that might find this helpful, and I really appreciate if you subscribe to this girl's channel. Now until next time, stay beautiful.